With push rules, you can gain additional control over what can and can't be pushed to your repository by using regular expressions to reject pushes based on commit contents, branch names, or file details. GitLab already offers features to protect branches, but there are cases when you need some specific rules. Some common scenarios include preventing git tag removal or enforcing a special format for commit messages. You can enable push rules in a user-friendly interface. They are defined either globally if you are an administrator or per project, so you can have different rules applied to different projects depending on your needs. The interface provides flexibility with many rules you can enable per your workflow. For example, reject unverified users, reject unsigned commits, do not allow users to remove git tags with git push, check whether the commit author is a GitLab user, prevent pushing secret files. You can also require or reject expressions in commit messages. We will demonstrate a few use cases. For example, we can commit messages with a specific reference. Let's assume you have the following requirements for your workflow. Every commit should reference a Jira issue. For example, modified image fixed Jira 123. Write a regular expression that requires the mention of a Jira issue in the commit message. Then we save push rules. Now, when a user tries to push a commit without referencing a Jira issue, their push is rejected, and this is the expected rejected error. Only pushing commits with messages containing a Jira issue are accepted. So, let me add the Jira issue and commit it again. Now, I successfully pushed this commit. Another example is require expression in branch names. If your company has a strict policy for branch names, you may want the branches to start with a certain name. Your developers may not remember that policy, so they might push to various branches. By restricting the branch names globally in push rules, such mistakes are prevented. Any branch name that doesn't match your push rule is rejected. Some example regular expressions you can use in push rules include: branches must start with Jira. Branches must end with Jira. Branches must be between 4 and 15 characters long, accepting only lowercase letters, numbers, and dashes. To summarize, push rules provides an additional flexibility to gain control over what can be pushed to your repository and helps you to enforce policies and company standards.